In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop delegates receiving meeting invitations in Outlook. If you've granted someone delegate access to help manage your mailbox, Outlook can automatically send that person copies of your meeting invitations and updates. That's useful for assistants who schedule on your behalf, but it can create clutter or confusion if you don't want those messages forwarded. I'll show you how to turn that off in Classic Outlook on the desktop, and then how to do it in Outlook on the web. Let's start in Classic Outlook. Open the desktop app and head to the File tab. From there, choose Account Settings, then Delegate Access. This is where all your delegates are listed. Select the delegate whose settings you want to change and click Permissions. In the Permissions window, look for the Calendar section. You'll see an option that says Delegate receives copies of meeting-related messages sent to me. Uncheck that box. This stops Outlook from forwarding new meeting invitations, updates, and responses to that delegate, while still keeping whatever calendar viewing or editing access you've assigned them. While you are in the same permissions window, take a moment to confirm the inbox permission level is set to none. This ensures your regular email isn't being shared unnecessarily with the delegate. Many people overlook this, and it can result in more access than intended. When everything looks right, click OK to save your changes. The update takes effect immediately, and the delegate will no longer receive your meeting related messages. Now, if you are using Outlook on the web, the control lives in a different place. Click the Settings gear, go to Calendar, and then open Shared Calendars. In this area, you'll see who has access to your calendar. Remove the user you no longer want receiving meeting invitations. Removing them here stops the web experience from sending those meeting related messages to that person. This is especially helpful if you primarily manage your calendar in a browser, or if your desktop app is using the new interface and you prefer web settings. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Delegate access and shared calendar access are related but different. Delegates can act on your behalf and, by default, may get meeting messages, while shared calendar viewers simply see your calendar depending on the permission you set. If you don't see these options, your organization may have policies in place, so check with your IT administrator. That's it. You've now stopped delegates from receiving your meeting invitations in both Classic Outlook and Outlook on the web. Thanks for watching.